The story I have for you today is Clifford and the Big Storm. In April, we tend to get some rain and some storms, so I thought this might be a good book to read. See how Clifford keeps Emily, Elizabeth, and everyone else safe. Clifford and the Big Storm. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth. Have you met my dog Clifford? We have some exciting adventures together. Last summer, he took us to the seashore to visit my grandma. Clifford loves the ocean. It's big enough for him to swim in. He watched my friends and me build sand castles in the sand. Clifford built one too. Then he wanted to go fishing. There was no room for us at the pier. And the pier is this long dock that all of these people are standing on. But that didn't matter because we had Clifford. One day we couldn't go swimming or fishing. We heard that a big storm was coming to our street. The police said everyone along the shore had to leave for a safer place. Grandma hated to leave her little home. Clifford took us away from the beach to a high school gym. We were safe there, but Clifford knew that. Grandma was though worried about her house. He hurried back to the beach. The wind and the rain could not stop him. The storm was bad. Trees were falling down. Big waves were crashing on the shore. Grandma's house was in danger. Clifford had to do something. First, he picked up some of the fallen trees. He piled the trees in back of Grandma's house, and then he covered them with sand. The sand pile would block the waves. And while Clifford was packing down the sand, he saw a bolt of lightning hit the lighthouse. The lighthouse began to burn. Clifford knew just what to do. Whoosh! The fire was out. Then, over the roar of the storm, Clifford could hear another sound. It was two puppies. They were scared. Clifford reached those puppies just in time. He made sure his new friends were safe. Then he ran back to Grandma. Oh no, there was more trouble. Two boats were loose in the waves, and they were about to crash. Can you see them up over here? Clifford brought them safely to shore. The waves were getting bigger. Clifford was afraid the sand pile would be washing away, so he lay down to guard the house. What would happen next? Do you have any ideas what's going to happen to Clifford, Grandma's house, the puppies, the two boats? What do you think Clifford's doing? The storm kept blowing at night. We wondered where Clifford was. The next morning, the police said we could go back to Grandma's. So there they are, riding on the bus, going back. Her house was safe behind a big pile of sand, but we didn't see Clifford anywhere. Can you see where he is? Take a look. There's a little hint. Surprise! Clifford was covered with sand, but Grandma was so happy she gave him a hug anyway. We were all glad to be together again. Thank you, Clifford.